Hi guys, Excel Insider welcomes you back to the channel. Today in this episode I will tell you a very simple trick about calculating difference between two dates. The unit of calculation can be years, months, days or a combination of these. Since year 2000 Excel has an inbuilt function called date_diff. This function is not available in the formula library but can be used by directly entering into the cell. For example, here I have this data where I have names and date of birth. And here I want to calculate their age. So guys, let's start. For calculating the age into number of years, we can directly enter the formula equal to date diff. Here you can see that Excel is not showing any suggestion for the formula, but keep entering the formula. Start a parenthesis. The first argument is the start date, then comma. My end date will be the today's date. For that I can use today formula. Today, close bracket, then comma. In the quotes, type Y for the years, close the quotes, close bracket and press enter. Here you can see that Excel has calculated age as 28 years. Now for calculating age in the months, equal to date diff, start bracket, my start date, then comma, today for the end date, then comma, in the quotes type M for months, close bracket and press enter. Here you can see that Excel has calculated the age as 336 months. For calculating the age in days, equal to date diff, start bracket, my start date, then comma, today for today's date, then comma, type D in quotes. D stands for days, close parenthesis and press enter. Here you can see that Excel has calculated the age as 10,250 days. Now drag the formula and you are done. Guys, here you can see that Excel has calculated the age on total basis. And if you want to calculate on a differential basis, you can use the same formula but with a slight modification. For calculating the years, equal to date diff, start bracket, my start date, then comma, today for today's date, then comma, in the quotes Y for years, close bracket and press enter. For calculating differential months, equal to date diff, start bracket, start date, then comma, today, then comma, in the quotes type YM. YM means ignore Y and give me the result in M, close quotes, close bracket and press enter. My months are calculated as 0. Now to calculate the differential days, equal to date diff, start bracket, my start date, then comma, today for today's date, then comma, in the quotes ignore M and give me the result in D. M stands for month, D stands for date. Now close quotes, close bracket and press enter. Here you can see the differential days has been calculated as 23. If here I put today's date equal to today, here I am getting 15th of April as today's date. And if you calculate the difference between 15th of April and 23rd of March, you will get 28 years, 0 months and 23 days. Now drag the formula and you are done. Guys, you can also use date diff function with any other Excel function. For example, here if I want to calculate the total age, I can use date diff function along with concatenate function equal to concatenate date diff start bracket, start date, then comma, today for today's date. In the quotes, type Y, close quotes, close date diff, then comma, mention Y for years, then comma, now again date diff, start bracket, start date, then comma, today, then comma, in the quotes, ignore years and give me month, close quotes, close date diff, then comma, type M for months, then comma, again date diff for days, date diff, start bracket, start date, then comma, today, then comma, in the quotes, ignore months and give me the result in days, close quotes, close date diff, then comma, now type D for days, close concatenate and press enter. Here you can see that Excel has calculated the age as 28 years, 0 months and 23 days. Now drag the formula and the age is calculated. Guys, if I go to the edit mode, in place of today, you can mention a specific date to calculate the difference from that date. Also in the concatenate function, you can mention complete phrases like years, here months, and here days. Drag the formula and you are done. Guys, this is the easiest way of calculating the difference between two dates in Excel. But a very few people know about it because it is hidden. And now you are one of them. Guys, for ease of access, I have mentioned all the arguments of that function here. Guys, here I finish my today's episode. I hope you would have liked it and learned something from it. If you would have liked this episode, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Guys, I always welcome your suggestions. Please leave those in the comment section. I will try to implement. The link of the practice file is in the description section. You guys can download and practice. Guys, if you have any doubts left, then please leave those in the comment section. I will try to resolve. Now guys, I will take a leave. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye and see you in the next video.